people? How are you doing today? Wherever you are in this world, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I just want to show you what I'm cooking here. This is beans, mongo beans. I added small fish and cut into cubes pork. So we only have this meal because this is only cheaper than other meal. But this is healthy and yummy. Look at that.